Hello friends, welcome back to our new session, and in this session we are going to discuss about mediation and ADR under Consumer Protection Act 2019. So, have you ever had a problem with a product or service and felt that going to court takes too much time? And it is a good news for all the consumers that Consumer Protection Act 2019 allows disputes to be solved without fighting in court, and this is done through mediation and alternative dispute resolution. So how this is done, let's understand this first. So it means solving problems without going to court. Good, because anyway, for a consumer, if there is a problem with the product or any service, he and the consumer is dissatisfied, he needs to go to court and different commissions, whether it is district commission, state commission, or national commission. But instead of long cases, parties talk and try to settle the issue peacefully. So mediation helps in that. So it is the most important ADR method under CPA 2019. So a neutral person called a mediator helps both sides talk, and the mediator does not give any decision. The parties themselves have to decide the solution. So it is all about discussion, not judgment. And it was officially introduced under CPA 2019, and the cases in district commission, state commission, national commission can be sent to mediation if both the parties agree. And different mediation cells were also established through this act for the consumer, and these cells provides trained mediators, helps to conduct mediation meetings, work under consumer commissions, and this makes the process organized and very fair. So when this process of mediation can be used, that also we need to understand. So where the dispute can be settled peacefully and there is no serious issues like fraud, both consumers and sellers are ready to talk, and if the mediation is not successful, the case goes back to the commission. And the process is again very simple. The case is sent to mediation. Mediator talks to both the parties. Settlement is written if they agree, and settlement is submitted to the commission. And if there is no agreement, then the normal case hearing starts again. And there is a time limit and confidentiality also. Everything discussed in mediation is very confidential and it cannot be used later in court. So this has to be taken care. If the both parties is sharing for the mediation purpose any information, this should not be misused by any of the party. This has to be taken care under the mediation process. And it is very helpful. Mediation process is very helpful because it is very fast and low cost, quite simple, stress free, and consumer friendly. So it saves time for consumers and businesses also. So we can understand under this that mediation under the Consumer Protection Act 2019 helps to solve consumer problems quickly and peacefully, and it is a smart alternative to long court cases. So we need to understand that through mediation and ADR, there are scope for the negotiation also in for the both the parties, and if the issue is solved through negotiation, that is also very helpful, because as we all know, in our country the legal battle takes too much time and it is too costly also for the common people. So in that case, this process of mediation and ADR becomes very helpful for the citizen of India, and this is mentioned in the Consumer Protection Act 2019 in a very thoughtful manner. So, with this, we are ending this session, and we'll be back with another topic related to Consumer Protection Act. Thank you so much.